Thermop 5, shots fired. Watch him, keep going on him! Step back!
On September 9th, 2024, an officer from the Thermopolis Police Department in Wyoming responded to a welfare check. According to reports, the welfare check originated after a concerned caller witnessed her neighbor yelling and pacing around the neighborhood, wielding an aluminum baseball bat. According to reports, the neighbor lived with a young child and was also worried about the safety of the subject's father, as he was elderly.
Her backyard abuts the subject's backyard. She said it's been years of apparent mental outbursts, him fighting, screaming, yelling with his dad.
The following content is derived from pre-edited footage released by the Thermopolis Police Department and Hot Springs County Sheriff's Office. The department's release totals less than 7 minutes of the real-time incident. Sectioned portions of 1 dash, 2 body, and 1 home security camera is included. The provided footage appears to begin after events detailed in the report. Before getting into the incident, the report first takes note that suspect Jared Godala was unemployed and suffering from diagnosed but untreated mental illness. It then says Thermopolis officer Ryan Loving arrived on scene and witnessed Jared wielding the bat. Next, Officer Loving attempted to position his vehicle to safely assess the situation before using his loudspeaker to tell Jared to disarm. The report alleges Jared became enraged and charged toward the vehicle with the bat raised. The report then says Officer Loving bumped Jared with his vehicle in an attempt to disarm him, but it was ineffective. Jared allegedly continued his assault, causing Officer Loving to put his vehicle in reverse. Jared reportedly opened the cruiser's door as the vehicle traveled backwards. It is at this point that the released footage appears to begin.
Yep. Jeremy, stay out of it! Jeremy, stay out of it! Jeremy, stay out of it! Calm down! You're gonna get shot! Oh, shit! Calm down, dude!
He's riding him up by, just hit him in the car.
Get on the ground!
The report details this moment by stating Officer Loving put his vehicle into forward and attempted to strike Mr. Gatula again, but also stated it was unclear if Loving was able to strike Mr. Gatula at this time. The home security angle that might have provided a clearer view of this moment is missing from the release. It is unclear whether officers removed that angle in this section or if the home security system failed to record it.
Get on the ground now! Don't make me shoot you! Get on the ground! Do it now! Don't do it, man!
Oh my God, there's a inside in front of you guys. Get inside, go downstairs, please. I don't want you watching this. Get down!
Drop the bat! Drop the bat! Do it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the bat! Do it now!
Officer Loving appears to activate his body camera in this moment. According to reports, the subject's father walked out to the area at this time.
Get on the ground and drop the bat!
Why are you here?
We need additional, please. Drop the bat! Drop it!
Why are you guys here?
Drop the bat!
Why are you here?
Thermop 5. Suspect struck my vehicle with a baseball bat, and I bumped it with my vehicle.
Copy.
Describe why you're here.
Because you got a bat and you're a danger to everybody! Drop it!
Danger to everybody.
Yes!
How? Explain.
You're swinging a damn bat around! Drop the bat! Hey, Max! Hey, come here! Max, come here!
I would like to know this. God, give him the
Drop that bat! Drop it now!
Drop the bat.
Drop the bat! Drop the bat! Drop it!
I would like to know. God, you guys know how to shoot. I have a gun right here. Good shot. Right next to me.
Come on, man, I do not want to shoot you today. What's his name?
Huh?
What's his name?
Jared.
Jared?
God, I don't know why the hell you guys are here. Go for it. Whoa, look at that. Hey, buddy, get!
Thermop 5, taser deployed, failure.
I don't want to shoot you today. Drop that bat.
I want to know why the hell you guys are here.
Go for it.
Whoa, look at that. Hey, buddy, get! Die!
Don't.
Thermop 5, shots fired.
Shot fired.
Based off Bodycam footage, it appears Deputy Max Lee Crane fires at Jared 6 times. Then, Officer Ryan Loving appears to fire 7 more. In the middle of Loving's shots, and after Jared collapses to the ground, Deputy Lee Crane fires an additional 9 times. A total of 22 bullets appears to have been fired.
Hey, don't worry. Watch him. Keep going.
I got him!
Keep going on him. Step back. Get back. Why do you have to shoot somebody? He never have a gun. They're out 5. Both officers are up. Suspect's down. Not even an ambulance being called. Come on. Hey. Keep gun on him.
I got gun on him!
Is he dead? I'm sure he's dead. Go ahead!
They're on their way.
Kick that bat away.
Watch gun.
Yep. Kick that bat. Get it out of there.
You good? I tried everything that I could to not hurt him. Okay, it's good. We're fine. I'm gonna double lock it just because. It's fine. You don't need to worry about it, man. Okay. Does he have any family? Okay. We don't know yet. I can't confirm. I need to stay back.
Did you shoot for him? Is he dead?
Come here. Come talk to me. Come this way. We tried to stop him. I tried to handle it peacefully as possible.
Coming at me with a bat, man. That's why I shot him. I seen you hit him out here.
What's your name?
Front of the car.
He swung at my car. I tried to stop him with my vehicle first.
I did not hit him.
I did not want any blood. Yes, I was trying to knock the bat out of his hand. He was attacking my vehicle with a bat. We tried to get him stopped. I tried to taser. Sir, nothing was working.
Okay, what was that? Beep, 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 beep.
That was two taser deployments. They both failed.
Where did the shots come? And you shot me.
From PD, this is MS1.
Go ahead, MS1.
Yeah, show us 10-8, and we'll be 76. Is the scene safe?
10-8-76. Both officers are out. It is the subject who's down.
I can't imagine you're going through right now. Oh, I need you to go over there. I didn't want to, but I need you to go over there and down the street. I don't even hear an active crime scene.
They're coming.
Just go back over there.
From PD, MS1, show us en route. Mount 5, Mount 1, where you at? Right here. Mount 123.
Published reports do not reveal how long it took emergency services to arrive. Post-incident, Cowboy State Daily's Claire McFarland described how the initial 911 caller felt about the situation.
She was very emotional Monday night, said she was struggling with guilt for calling in the welfare check because it ended so tragically. But she also just said, she was reminding herself why she called in the first place and all of the other people that could have been affected.
Reports say Officer Ryan Loving and Deputy Max Lee Crane were placed on paid leave after the shooting. Less than a year and a half earlier, in April 2023, Sergeant Mike Mascoro from the same Thermopolis department killed a suspect after an illegal warrantless home breach led to a shootout, an incident previously covered on Midwest Safety. In a town of about 2,750, Thermopolis could have the highest per capita rate of officer-involved deaths in the U.S. Mapping police violence lists a total of 21 police killings in 2023 and 2024 out of New York, New York. That equates to roughly 2.5 deaths per 1 million people. Thermopolis Police Department would equate to more than 727 deaths per million when accounting both officer-involved shooting incidents. Fremont County Attorney Patrick LeBrun, appointed by the Wyoming Department of Criminal Investigation, released a 3-page report in February 2025 detailing the officer-involved shooting investigation and his decision on criminal charges for the officer and deputy. The report reads, law enforcement personnel involved in this case were focused on stopping Mr. Godala in the least violent manner possible. Mr. Godala showed focus and determination to cause harm to the law enforcement. Nothing about Mr. Godala Gottola's mental illness reduced the right of the deputy or the officer to defend each other or themselves from violent attack. More than 20 rounds were fired at Mr. Gottola. It is apparent that the deputy fired several rounds at Mr. Gottola after he was going down or on the ground. These facts do not change the ultimate opinion that no charges will be filed. The deputy and officer acted reasonably under Wyoming law. Special Prosecutor Patrick L. LeBrun resigned from his position less than 2 months later. Reports indicate Thermopolis officer Ryan Loving was placed back on full duty. Information regarding Hot Springs County Sheriff's Deputy Max Lee Crane's employment is not publicly known.